you, Rudolph. I'm glad you came to the United States. I'm glad you brought this beautiful multi-tool router, cutter. It does kind of everything, right? And it does it really fast.
It is, and because the machine is very strong and accurate.
Yes, and it is very heavy.
And
this
it's
is
very heavy.
This is a very stable machine.
Yes.
Like I could bring 3 of my friends and have a dinner on top of this thing and dance
You
around.
can dance on it.
Yes, I
and,
know. I'm
nothing
going
will
to.
happen.
I am going to later. After I have my whiskey, I'm going to dance on your machine. But it is a very nice aluminum table. This is the Notus Plus, top of the line.
This is the top of the line. It's our flagship machine.
It is.
It's a very strong servo motors. What is new and what should be pointed on is the carbon fiber gantry.
I saw
it's
that.
the high-speed gantry,
Light,
which
strong, fast.
which allows us to accelerate much faster,
Okay.
and this reduces the production time very
Yeah.
significantly.
I've seen you go through 1-inch acrylic like butter.
Yeah.
It's cutting it like cardboard.
And on
All right,
the other side,
you know how few tools can
when
do
we
that.
did the calculations to replace the steel gantry, this is even more stable.
You sell all across Europe,
Right.
and now you've come to the United States because we need your sophistication.
We can't live only from Asian production. We bring much higher quality.
Okay.
We bring much more accuracy. And this means if you install this machine in your workshop, you will be able to work with that for 10, 15 years with no issues and with the same accuracy.
I spoke for a bit with Rudolph.
Good.
This is from the Czech Republic.
Yes.
These guys are all over Europe, and now you brought them here.
We are the exclusive dealer in North America. This is the first machine.
Tell me a little bit about the way this thing gets installed. I mean,
Oh,
the way
yeah.
it looks to me is it comes in as one giant piece.
It is one pallet.
Yes.
Everything is self-contained.
Yeah.
You basically just have to put the beam, the
Right.
carriage, on the machine and put the computer stand in place and then install a vacuum.
Yeah, you were telling
It's
me
a
you
couple
needed a
hours.
10,000-pound forklift to bring this thing in.
It is robust.
It's like a Ford 350, right, that you're carrying in here. And this thing just lays down and is just locked in, rock solid,
Oh, yeah.
all steel frame,
welded steel
no
frame
vibration,
construction.
nothing.
Nope. It's heavy duty.
It is heavy duty. This thing is designed to last decades,
Lifetime.
lifetime.